Namaste, everybody. Who doesn't want to increase their list of blessings received by the universe? In this special episode today, I'm going to teach you an effective technique that will not just increase the blessings that you can receive from the universe, but also change the mindset, the very thought process, and the very approach which you carry in experiencing all those ups and downs or challenges in life. Because when we start counting the blessings that the divine has already bestowed on us, we start becoming more optimistic towards everything that we experience in life, isn't it? So, here is an effective technique which all of us can do and increase the manifestation of divine gifts from the universe. For this, you definitely need a little bit of your time and a glass jar. Yes, I recommend a glass jar because you'll be able to see through it and look at the beautiful colors that I'm going to now tell you and see how contented your heart will feel as you keep seeing through the jar being filled with the blessings. Now, how do you fill the jar with blessings? Very simple. You just need some color sheets. So, every single day, either in the night or in the morning, just turn a little bit small piece of that paper and write gratitude for what you have received in the past 24 hours that you are extremely thankful for. It could be a good movie that you watched, it could be a good food that you experienced, or it could be a good time that you had with your good old friend. Just mention thank you and write what was that blessing. Sometimes drinking pure water is also a blessing, isn't it? So you can just be a little more aware of all those subtle things that just probably skip your attention, but which is indeed a great blessing from the universe. So write down, thank you, universe, for this beautiful experience, for meeting my friend, for the new car that I bought, or the beautiful book that I read, the quality time that I spent with my family. So it could be one or multiple. It depends on all the good experiences that you've had in the past one day. So one per chit is what I recommend. So thank you for the fantastic interview that I underwent yesterday. Fold it, put it in the jar. Now every day, if you're too busy, I don't think anybody is so busy that they can't spare about less than 60 seconds to write down the blessing in the past 24 hours that I've received. But if you still want to give an excuse, you can also do it once a week. So just recall all the series of events that happened in the last 1 week. Write down thank you for all the significant incidences that you feel happy, blissful, thankful, nice. And sometimes, unless something is disturbed, we don't realize that we have received a blessing. If things are going smooth, we don't realize that the whole journey has actually been protected by the divine force, isn't it? So, right, thank you for that. Put it in the jar. Now, as you keep doing this, you'll notice that, of course, the jar is being filled with colorful chits of papers, but your subconscious mind is also realizing that I have already manifested so many good things in life, and therefore I'm eligible to attract more of similar energy. So you're giving specific attention and importance to good things that's happening, and you're indirectly telling that I want to be a magnet to attract more such feeling. Maybe not exact experience. So feeling love, feeling peace, feeling happy, feeling joy, feeling contented, feeling celebration is what you're intending to attract, isn't it? The experiences can unfold in different ways. There's no doubt about it. So you're going to now continue to write these chits. You can make a jar per month or for the whole year and keep filling it with all the colorful experiences. Now, my dear friends, if you put efforts and start doing this, you'll notice how within just few months or even few days, you'll start looking at the jar increasing in surprising pace. As in, you will start looking at how optimistic you were towards your approach towards life. So your mental is definitely improving, but you're also attracting more good vibes, and therefore the jar is also getting filled up in a faster pace. Well, this is called gratitude jar. This is one of the effective techniques of manifesting great things in life. Now, being awareful of all that you already have makes you eligible to receive more of what you want. This is the trick, that you have to first do it in your mind and also start experiencing it at the action level through such beautiful acts. So creative, so artistic, yet so powerful. in the terms of healing and manifesting, isn't it? So do try this and let me know if you have any doubts. Next time I'll meet you again with another special episode with another useful tip on drugless therapy. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this information, do not forget to share this with your loved ones. Namaste.